welcome to the channel, and thank you for watching the video and giving your precious time to me. Uh, uh, Today I'm just going to I was sending message to many people like you can earn 1 to 10% daily. So many people have asked us, okay, is it really true or it's false? So I'll just show you the proof, live proof, what I'm doing it and how the site is giving us. So who has already logged in and joined it AI, so they can go and explore the AI every day by themselves, and they have lot of study material over there, so you can study. But who is joining first time and who looking to join in future, so don't ignore this instruction first. This instruction is very important. Once you click on the link sent by me or by someone who wants you to join it, you just click on the link, you will come on this page. So on this page you just click on the sign in option and then click on this brain option. Don't click any other option, just click on the and brain option. Click on the add a see, if you're doing first time, then it will ask you the add account. But if you're doing first time, sorry, if you're doing first time, then you click on the here on register now. Once you click on the registration, here my referral link will come, and or the person link will come, and your name, first name, you put their email ID, you create your password, and then click on registered. So for that you have to do that, and you submit the details, and you will get the $50 credit by my referral link. If you join by my referral link, then only. Otherwise it depends on everyone, because while I created my affiliated link, I have added my $50 for your earnings. I have given that too from the system. From the system, actually system is giving us. So I just go and log in it. I will not spend the time. Today's video is mainly for the how much we are earning daily. See, still my robot is off because I have initially added a small amount, $50. So I have added $59, but at the end, because there was some issue with my exchange, so I was not able to do it. I have done it, but robot is not working from the last 3 days still, because this money is not yet transferred to the my advertisement budget. And if there is no advertisement budget, robot market bot will stop working. So I will go on to the cashback. Okay, so this is my sales. If you see, this is my sales for every day, and pending, this is important, but you have to go on the states. So how much you're earning every day, that this is given here. So if you see here, I have joined on the 9th, and on the 10th I have got $10 from the $50 uh, from the market bot I have got, and I have invested $50 at that time. So 100, the approximately $114 I have invested initially, including the $50 from the AI. So total is $114 was my advertisement budget. And if you see, I have got on the first day I have got the $10, that is 10%, more than 10%. Then 5%, 5%, 4%, approximately. You just check it, 11.5% on the 15th. It goes from lower to upper. It depends on every person to person. Market bot automatically choose and start advertising it. One of my downline, he was earning faster than me. His earning was faster than me. Yes, he has not yet invested. I don't know why, but it's his choice. I don't want to say anything. So if you see here, 7%, 1.991. So this is actually the cashback which you're earning. This is per day cashback. If you like, if $114 was my advertisement, if you see 7.78, 9.62. So this you can see it every day. They are giving this amount, like here 0.97, so less than 1%. This is also happens someday. They don't get any business, so they don't give cashback also to us. So if they get the business, they give the cashback. So amount, like this amount is total investment or the order they have got for the advertising, and so from that there they have given the cashback to us. If you see here, till 14 it was giving till to me 3%, 7%, 7%, all that. But after that my market bot has stopped, so it is not giving. That's why we all are requesting, who has joined, all are requesting, join it for 2 days. Till for 2 days just study the site, and if you want to continue the business, better invest $100. So after 30 days you will start getting cashback only. There is no, your market will not stop, because even your market bot is stopped. If I calculate that these 3 days, for example, if I calculate these 3 days on 773, so approximately $20 I'm lost, because today is 17, but still I have not got my market bid is off. So hope most probably today's evening they will start it, because I have added 3 days. Normally market bot takes time from 1 day to 2.5 days, or 3 days you can say, to restart the business for the investor, or for the person who has invested. So hope this is clear for the person who has many people have asked me how you can say that it is giving 1 to 10% daily. So this is a live example, you can see that. And if you have any questions, please ask me. I will explain every question by making the videos. And I I upload this video on my YouTube channel also. You can subscribe and like the YouTube channel, and also I will give share this video to you on the WhatsApp group. So in a YouTube channel, you have my WhatsApp group, you have my affiliated link to join the AI.marketing. You can join it. I'm not asking you to join and invest on the immediate basis. You want to study, you want to get trust on the system, you just study by yourself, because this is my financial advising. I'm taking, I'm investing, but it's your money, so you are the main owner, and you have the right choice to do with your money. Okay, thank you very much. If you have any question, please share with me on the comments, or you personally message me. Thank you very much. WhatsApp link is given, everything is given over there in the description box. You can share with me. Thank you very much.